Now we're still dealing with types of equipment grounding conductors in accordance with 250.118. Now let's review the note first, please. Liquid tight flexible metal conduit in sizes up to 1.25 inches that have a total length not exceeding 6 foot from the ground return path with fittings for terminating the flex that are listed for grounding shall be permitted to be used as a grounding means, naturally in accordance with a liquid tight flexible metal conduit in sizes 3/8 of an inch up to a 1/2 inch. Trade size shall be permitted by overcurrent devices protecting conductors at 20 amps or less, and then sizes 3/4 up to 1.25 inches trade size shall be protected by overcurrent devices 60 amps or less. Then we could actually use the metal inside this weatherproof flex, what a lot of electricians calls it, to ground, say, that AC unit back to that disconnecting means. However, an equipment ground can be pulled inside where you have a means to terminate it, and that would be permissible also. But notice you would actually review 250.118 item 6, and then you would use C and D parts to 250.118 6, and I think you would get a good more information that would be more detailed when using this section and using the metal of the flex to ground from point to point instead of pulling an equipment ground in. Now this is optional, not mandatory, and that's what this figure 16-110 is illustrating.